In this video, we're diving into the Dietoxil weight loss gummies to see if they live up to the hype or if it's just another scam. These gummies claim to help with weight loss, reduce cravings, and promote better gut health, with key ingredients like apple cider vinegar, vitamin B12, and pomegranate juice. While the marketing sounds promising, there are some red flags to consider. For one, the product promises quick weight loss, but there's no solid scientific evidence to back these bold claims. The idea that balancing your gut alone can lead to weight loss seems overly simplistic, especially when you're dealing with a complex process. The ingredients listed also feel minimal for the big promises being made. The disclaimers on their website seem to contradict their more aggressive marketing messages. And if you take a look at the reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, you might notice some seem vague or even questionable. So, while these gummies may offer some potential benefits, it's important to approach them with caution, as the results might not be as life-changing as advertised. If you've been tempted by the ads or glowing testimonials, this review will give you a more balanced perspective to help you decide whether Dietoxil gummies are worth your investment or just another overhyped product.